Hello and welcome to the X review of me, Paul Collis, and today we're going to take a look at Parkway Drive with their song Vice Grip. It's a nice riff to start off with. I mean, even this song sounds a bit recycled. Just like they borrow bits here, there and everywhere. And I don't know. It just kind of seems. Yeah, it just seems like they're heavily influenced each song by bits that they borrowed. I mean, yeah, I'm not slating them for musicians because they can play, but I don't know. I could just hear other shit within their songs. It's like they've brought 80s themes into this song and put a modern metal drum beat to it. That's a bit of parachuting, why not? Well, skydiving. Yeah, fuck it, why not? They were right on Outfield after all. That's definitely an 80s thing. I wonder if, I don't know, is this a filler song or is this like, shit, we got a 5-album deal to churn out, so is this song part of the churn? And that was Parkway Drive with Vice Grip, so yeah, a lot more recycled stuff, so 2 recycled songs so far. What else can I say? I mean, it's blatantly obviously there. If you haven't heard those older songs that they've borrowed themes and aspects from, I'm not going to say they plagiarised because that's not right. That's not right. They've not plagiarised. They've just borrowed heavily influenced parts of songs and adapted it within their own, which they can do in their own right. It's not wrong in doing that. But you can hear where their influences are, and you can hear aspects that they borrowed, you know, themes and whatnot. and similar riffs. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit like, subscribe and share. And if you haven't already done so, why not check out more content from Master X Media by clicking the link in the description below, and that'll take you to all our YouTube channels, all our podcast channels, to our books, and to our social media. So until next time, guys, bye for now.